If equipped, the power front seat controls are located on the outboard side of each seat, which can be moved forward, rearward, up, or down by moving the seat switch in the desired direction. To tilt the front of the seat cushion up or down, pull or push the front of the seat switch in the desired direction. Push the power bolster adjustment buttons to regulate the width of the backrest. The recline switch controls the recline angle of the seat back, and the lumbar switch will increase or decrease lumbar support and move it up or down. The front seat head restraints may be adjustable or fixed. Two-way adjustable headrests can be raised by simply pulling up on the headrest, or lowered by pushing the adjustment button at the base of the restraint and then pushing down on the headrest. The available driver and passenger heated seat buttons can be found on the center stack. The engine must be on before you can activate heated seats. Push the button once for maximum heating, twice for average heating, or 3 times for minimum heating. Push the button again to turn the feature off. If equipped, you'll also find controls for the rear heated seats on the rear of the center console. They work the same as the front heated seat controls. On vehicles equipped with driver memory settings, the position of the power driver seat and side mirrors can be saved to one of 3 memory profiles. The memory buttons can be found either on the driver's door or the driver's seat. With the ignition in the ACC position and the driver's door closed, push and hold the desired button for 1.5 seconds. A chime will sound to indicate the profile has been saved. To fold down your rear seat for increased cargo capacity, first, lower the rear seat head restraints and move the seat belts out of the way so you have room to tilt the backrest. Then pull the left and right side release levers from inside the trunk or luggage compartment, or pull the release handle at the base of the rear seat on Stelvio models. To fold the seat back up again, move the seat belts to the side so they're extended and not twisted or trapped behind the backrests. Then, lift the backrests and push until you hear the latch click on both attachment mechanisms. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.